How does Contractor Automated generate leads? We do outreach twice per month, calling more than 400 local referral partners every month, setting up scheduled introduction calls with referral sources in need of a service provider like you. You receive the entire call list of who we're planning to call and the script of what we're planning to say. Introduction calls get scheduled directly to your existing calendar. You receive text alerts, and we provide 2 end-of-day reports, the full call list and the result of every call, along with a detailed summary of the individuals and businesses we're connecting you with. We connect you with complementary businesses that have expressed interest in partnering with you and referring your services to their clients. It's a simple and effective way to gain consistent referrals through the power of word of mouth and relationship building in your local market. We're trying up the play, we're taking a snap, and we're going to hand you the football. You take it and run with it as far as you can. Visit contractorautomated.com to grow your home service business the smart way.